Using an American Express virtual card involves several steps to ensure a secure and seamless transaction. Receive the virtual card. Amex may issue a virtual card for online transactions, and it is usually provided through the Amex online portal or mobile app. Access Amex online account. Log into your American Express online account or mobile app using your credentials. Locate the virtual card. Navigate to the section where virtual cards are managed. This could be under the Account Services or Cards tab. View card details. Find the specific virtual card you want to use and view its details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Enter card details online. During an online transaction, enter the virtual card details at the payment checkout. This is similar to using physical card details. Authenticate the transaction. If additional security measures like two-factor authentication are in place, complete the necessary steps to authenticate the transaction. Monitor transactions. Keep track of your virtual card transactions through the Amex online portal or app. This allows you to stay updated on your spending.